pretty important.
Very important. It's a birthday card to a friend of mine. Oh, I hope I'm mailing it in time.
When's the birthday?
Next week.
Oh, it'll get there in plenty of time. Another letter!
Bless you.
Thank you. I'm afraid I've come down with a case of bumbly, wheezy, sneezy fever.
Oh, dear. That's too bad.
Well, I think you'd better go home until you feel better.
I think that's a very good idea. Yeah, but... Yeah, but...
Bless you.
Thank you.
Quick, turn him around. Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, now how am I going to get the mail delivered today?
Is there a problem, Postmaster?
Well, the problem is all my delivery bees are on vacation, which wouldn't be a problem because I still have one left. Well, the problem is he's it.
Oh.
So now the only one left to get the mail delivered is me.
Oh, dear.
But even that wouldn't be a problem. I can deliver the mail to Barry Betty City myself, but not this.
What's that?
Special delivery for Clement Cricket. Clear out in Acorn Acres. Label says it's for his birthday.
When's his birthday?
Today.
Today? Oh, no.
Here, J.D. Bug. Let me help you.
No, you should be delivering the mail.
Well, I guess you're right.